So this last one seemed to stump a lot of people, but we're still using triangle inequality theorem. The only difference is that we have 3 possible situations, but it's actually going to reduce down to 2. So Morgan drives from his house to work and back. During the school year, he drives from his house to school back, but he's never driven from school to work or vice versa. So we need to figure out what are the possible lengths that this distance could be. And there's 3 possible situations. So situation number 1 is where this distance is the shortest side. Okay? And if that's the case, then x plus 4.2 has to be greater than 7.3. So if we subtract 4.2 from both sides, we get x has to be greater than, what is this, 3.1? Yeah. The second condition is that this is the middle side, which means that 4.2 plus x has to be greater than 7.3. This is actually the same as this one. The x is just moved to the other side. So this gives us the same answer. So basically, conditions 1 and 2 are the same, which leaves us with the third possibility, which is that x is the longest side. And in this case, we'd put 4.2 plus 7.3 has to be greater than x. So now here we would add these together. So 11.5 has to be greater than x, which means that if we combine these two inequalities, this means that x has to be greater than 3.1 and it has to be less than 11.5. And if we were going to write this in a complete sentence, we would say that the distance from Morgan's work to school must be greater than 3.1 miles and less than 11.5 miles.